Here I am going to explain you one new concept of your grammar chapter, that is was and were. Chapter number 11, was and were. Here today we are going to learn one new concept. Right, students? Now before starting this chapter 11, was and were, I want to do one revision of present continuous tense. As you all remember, we have completed present continuous tense. In that, structure was, first what we have to write? For that, first we have to write noun or pronoun, whatever is given to you. After that, we have to use helping verbs. You all know what are the helping verbs in present continuous tense. Right, students? You all have learned about helping verbs in present continuous tense already. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में हमने हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑलरेडी सीख चुके हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स? जो एक्शन वर्ब के साथ यूज होते हैं. अब वो कौन से होते हैं? दैट इज एम आर. इज एम आर को हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स भी बोलते हैं और लिंकिंग वर्ब्स भी कहते हैं. बट जो इज एम आर हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स हैं वो यूज होते हैं प्रेजेंट टेंस के लिए. We have to use is mr as a helping verb in the present tense. Right, students? Now here you will see I have written was and were. Here was and were are also called linking verbs, or you can say helping verbs. Whichever word is easy for you, you can say that word, linking verb or helping verb. अब यहाँ पे जो मैंने was और were लिखा है वो भी हमारे लिंकिंग वर्ब्स ही हैं. बट was एंड were जो लिंकिंग वर्ब्स हैं वो यूज होते हैं पास्ट टेंस के लिए. Here was and were are given to us as a helping verb, but we use was and were helping verbs in the past tense. Okay, students? Now you already know हम जो is and are सीख चुके हैं. तो is कब यूज करते थे? For singular noun pronoun. Means when a sentence starting with singular noun pronoun, at that time we have to use is linking verb. And for plural pronoun or noun, जब हमारा sentence noun pronoun जो plural से start होता है उसमें हम use करते थे are. And for I जो present tense में I जो special case है उसके लिए हम am का use करते थे. Right, students? Here you can see that was and were is given to you. In past tense only two helping verbs are there. Was for singular and were for plural. Okay, students? After this I am going to show you one table. It will be more clear to you how we have to use was, were and is, am, are. Okay, students? Now here we will learn about helping verb of present tense as well as past tense. In chapter 11, both exercises are given to us. First, we will learn about helping verbs of present tense, and afterwards we will learn about helping verbs of past tense. Is, am, are, was, were. ये पांचों के पांचों words ही हमारे linking verbs है. But the thing is that is, am, are ये जो use होते हैं वो present tense के लिए use होते हैं, and was and were is used for past tense. इन पांचों को हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स और लिंकिंग वर्ब्स ही बोलेंगे. बट द थिंग इज दैट वी हैव टू यूज इज एंड आर फॉर प्रेजेंट टेंस. राइट, स्टूडेंट्स? एंड फॉर पास्ट टेंस वी हैव टू यूज was and were. Okay, now let's look onto the board what I have written. Am, is and are the present tense forms. As I told you, is, am, are present tense के लिए यूज होते हैं. Forms of the linking verb भी, as I told you, linking verb को हम helping verb भी कह सकते हैं या फिर linking verb भी कह सकते हैं. Okay, students? You already know in singular we have to use and plural. I am going to show you one thing that will be more clear. For he, she and it. इन थ्री के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? is. For he, she, it we have to use is as a linking verb. Now here what will come? They, we, you. For these three words we have to use A-R-E-R. What we have to use? A-R-E-R. For they, we, you. We have to use R as a linking verb. Now you will think I have not added here I pronoun. Why? Because I is a special case. For I we have to use am. You already have learned about this thing in your present continuous tense. जब हमारा सेंटेंस I से स्टार्ट होता था तब हम उसके साथ am linking verb यूज करते थे. Okay students, you can see that I have made in singular he, she, it के साथ is यूज करना है. For they, we, you we have to use A-R-E-R. And for special case I in present tense we have to use am. Okay students? Okay students, now see I have written one rule for past tense. Was and were are the past tense forms of the linking verb be. As I told you, is is used for present tense as a helping verb. In past tense we have to use was and were linking verbs in the simple past tense. Okay, now we will see where we have to use was and for what we have to use were. But here I am preparing one table, it will be more clear to you. Okay students, so let's look on the table. I, here we have to write we. I के साथ singular है, so that's why I have to use was. And for we I have to use were. For plural we have to use W-E-R-E were. Now next is you. You, W-E-R-E were. Here also you. As you all know, whether you comes in singular or a plural pronoun, we have to use always W-E-R-E were. चाहे वो singular के टाइप पे यूज किया गया हो या फिर plural के लिए, but we have to use only W-E-R-E were as a linking verb in the past tense. Now next is he, she, and it. For these three also we have to use was. He, she, it के साथ भी हमें क्या यूज करना है? Was. And here for they we have to use W-E-R-E were. Once again I am repeating here. For I pronoun we have to use was, and for we pronoun we have to use W-R-E were because we is a plural pronoun. Next is here in both singular और plural में हमें क्या लिया हुआ है? You. For you we have to use W-E-R-E were. Next is he, she, it. He, she, it के साथ हमें क्या यूज करना है? Was, because it is a singular pronoun. And for they we have to use W-E-R-E were, means for they. They क्या है? They pronoun है plural का, इसलिए हमें were यूज करना है. One thing I am going to clear you here. जो W-E-V है और T-H-E-Y they है, वो दोनों ही plural pronoun में होते हैं, लेकिन we कब यूज होता है? जब कोई ग्रुप में आप 4-5 लोग हो और उस ग्रुप में आप भी इंक्लूडेड हो, when you are also included in that group, at that time you have to use W-E-V. तब हम W-E-V का यूज करते हैं. But when you are talking with someone else for another group, जब आप कोई किसी और ग्रेड के बारे में बात करो लेकिन उस ग्रुप में आप इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो, at that time you have to use T-H-E-Y they. I hope it is clear to you when we have to use we and they. Okay students? Here I am going to show you some examples which are related to present as well as past. In that we will use linking verbs. Okay students? Now first example I am going to write first is I dash tall. Now I am writing these examples, but before writing these examples I am going to ask you this thing. Here if I this sentence in present tense. If I have to write this sentence in present, now which helping verb I have to use here? For present tense, I have to check first. This sentence started with I. This sentence started with I. You all know with pronoun I have to use am. यहाँ पे जो हमने यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट टेंस का जो बनाया एग्जांपल, उसमें हमें आई के साथ क्या यूज करना है? am. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट इज he dash tired. This sentence I also want to make in present. For present, first of all check this sentence starting with which pronoun? Here the pronoun is given to us he. Okay students, he. तो he के साथ हमें present tense में कौन सा linking verb use करना है? Here I have to use is because he is a singular pronoun. For singular pronoun I have to write is. अब अगर मुझे यही सेंटेंस पास्ट टेंस के लिए बनाना है, if I want to make this sentence for past tense, which helping verb I have to use here? You can see here is also singular pronoun. For singular pronoun but in past tense, singular pronoun है, past tense के लिए हमें कौन सा helping verb यूज करेंगे? यहाँ पे was. Is it clear to all of you? If I want to make this sentence in present, I have to write is. But for past tense, I have to write was. Okay, students? Now next is she dash asleep. Here also, first of all, you can say, if I want to make this sentence in present, for present, what I have to use here? She is a singular pronoun, and for singular pronoun, what I have to write here? Is. Right, students? But for past tense, I have to use was. Yes, students, was for singular pronoun in past tense. Is present के लिए यूज होता है, was past tense के लिए यूज होता है. Okay, here I am going to show you some another examples related to present and past tense. Now I am writing one another example here. We dash teachers. We dash teachers. If I want to make this sentence in past, for past, first I have to check which word is given to here. Here first word is wev, and wev is considered as a plural pronoun. We किसमें आता है? Plural pronoun में. अब हमें ये जो sentence है वो किसमें बनाना है? Present में. तो present के लिए हमें क्या लिखना होगा? R हमें helping verb use करना है in present tense. But for past tense, what we have to write here? In place of R, I have to write were verb. We were teachers. I have used here verb for past tense. I have used word linking verb for past tense. Okay, students? Now next, you can see here, you dash late. First of all, you can see the word is given here, you pronoun दिया हुआ है. If I want to make it in present, for present I have to use R use करना है present में. R linking verb use करेंगे हम present में. But if I want to make it in past tense, for past tense I have to use were verb. R present के लिए, were verb past के लिए. Next is I dash hungry. Here the sentence is started with pronoun I pronoun के साथ start हो रहा है. If I want to make it in present, for present we all know present में ये special case है. I के साथ हमें क्या use करना होता है? I am. But this sentence, if I want to make it in past, for past, here I will write was. For past, here I have to write was. Now once again I am repeating, is, am, are, was, were. These all are called helping verb, or you can say linking verbs. But we have to use is, am, are in the present tense as a helping verb. And was or were, you have to use these helping verbs for the past tense. इन पांचों को ही हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब या लिंकिंग वर्ब कह सकते हैं, बट द थिंग इज दैट these are bifurcated according to their tenses. Okay students, I hope this concept is clear to you. Just once go through this video and watch this video at your home. If you face any query or doubt regarding this video or chapter, I will solve in your live sessions. Thank you. Have a nice day.